Welcome to the Scout World. Myself, Bimal Vyas, Assistant Leader Trainer Scout Maharashtra. Today, we are going to learn about the Scout sign, Scout salute, and Scout handshake. Scout sign. In the book Scouting for Boys, Robert Baden Powell chose the three finger salute for the Scouts to represent the three aspects of Scout promise: honor to God, country, help other people, and obey the Scout law. The three fingers are used by members of Scouts and Guides organization around the world when greeting to each other scout in the respect of national flag and celebration. In most situations, the salute is made with the right hand palm face out and the thumb holding down the little finger and touch to the eyebrow. There are some variations of salute between National Scouting Organization and also within some program sections. A half salute known as the Scout sign is also used in a certain situations. The hand is still held palm facing out and the thumb holding the little finger, but the hand is up to the shoulder level. Other organizations have historic styles. The Scout salute. The Scout salute signifies the respect and the courtesy you use to do the salute to the flag during some ceremonies. You may also salute your rebels leaders or your patrol members. To give the Scout salute, place the finger of your right hand in the position of the Scout sign. Bring the hand smartly up to the head, palm sideways until your finger touches the edge of your cap above the right eye, or if you are capless, your forehead above the right eye. When the salute is completed, snap your hand down quickly to your side. Be prepared. The Scout motto is Be prepared. Prepared for what? In Scouting for Boys, Baden Powell wrote that to be prepared means you are always in a state of readiness in mind and body to do your duty. More than a century here, preparedness is still the cornerstone of Scouting. Through its one value based program, Scouting prepares the young people for the life, for doing a good things, for preparing a good community, and for preparing a good citizens. His idea was that the scouts should prepare themselves to become a productive citizen and a strong leader and to bring joy to other people. He wants each scout to be ready in mind and body them to meet a strong heart wherever challenges are awaiting. The Scout Handshake. The left hand Scout handshake is the form way of greeting other scouts of both gainers and the users. Members of Scout and Guide organization around the world. The handshake is made with the hand nearest to the near part of the heart is offered. When Colonel Baden Powell entered the capital city of Ashanti people in the year 1890, he was met by one of the colonel who comes to him holding out his left hand. BP held out his right in return, but the chief said, "No, in my country, the bravest of the brave shakes with the left hand." So began the left hand shake. It has started worldwide. In the book, they are told some of the stories of courage and endurance shown by the scouts in many different countries during the war of 1939 and 45. There would be no removed even books to tell them all. Many ideas can never be told. Some for political reasons, some because of actor died unknown. They remembered their promises to do their best, to do their duty to God and their country, to think other people and not of themselves. So when the time is came, they were prepared in body and mind, in spirit, and therefore their services. Thank you, and next thing we learn in our next session.